Good morning, I am Vimal Raj from CEC Department second year. Today I am going to talk about business model Canva. The business model Canva is a strategic tool used to develop document and communicate the business model. It provides a visual framework for outlining the key components of a business. I am Srinivas Aravind from CEC Department. I can talk about 9 building blocks in business model Canva. First, we discuss about customer segment. Define the group of people who are business aim to serve. Example: market, mass market, broad group of customers. The next we discuss about value proposition. Describe the unique products or service you offer to solve customer problems or fulfill needs. Next, channels. How you deliver your value proposition to customer. Example: direct means online store. Next, indirect. Indirect means distributors, retail stores. Next, communication and distribution method. Another one, customer relationship. The type of customer relationship. The type of customer interaction you establish the customers. Example: self-service, personal assistance, automated service, communities.
Key resources, the asset necessary to deliver your values. Example: physical building equipment.
Hi, I am V.S. Tharanidharan. I am going to say about key activities. The action your business must be take to operate successfully. Example: production, problem solving, platform, network management. Key participants. Collaborating to help your business grow or reduce risks. Example: suppliers, strategy, and finally cost structures. All costs associated with running your business. Example: fixed costs. Fixed cost means rent, salaries. Next, variable cost. Variable cost means materials. Economics of next one, economics of scale. Thank you.